Hello, welcome to General Science class 5th. Today I am going to teach you the chapter 11, that is simple machines. What I am going to do in this class is to spend my time teaching simple machine and the classification of simple machine. Here first of all I will be going through a general overview of machine and uses of machines. So what is the need of machines, or when we use the machines? So there are certain tasks that we cannot do by ourselves. We depend on or we need to give more effort to do that work. At that time we depend upon machines, and these machines or tools which make our work to do much faster, and we can do it in very less time and with less effort. These are the main uses of machine. Next one is machines can be classified into two types. The first one is simple machine and second one is complex machine. So first we can talk about what is simple machines. Basically, simple machine we can define as a machine which is having few or no moving parts at all. And the basic device, it is a basic device that changes the direction or magnitude of a force, and also it makes the task much easier. There are many examples for simple machine we use in our day-to-day life. Few are a stapler, screwdriver, bottle opener, spoon, knife, etc. So these are simple machines, examples for simple machines. Next is about the classification of simple machine. Simple machines can be classified into 6 categories. The first one is lever, second one is pulley, third one is wheel and axle, fourth one is inclined plane, fifth one wedge, and sixth one screw. Next we can learn about what is lever and its classification. Lever is a straight rigid bar that rests on a support or a fixed at one point. When usually we apply force upon one arm of the lever, the other arm of the lever goes up or down in the other direction. It is mostly used to lift heavy load by applying pressure on one end. And here the picture shows 3 important points. One is fulcrum, the other is effort, and the third one is load. So the fulcrum, it is a point from where the lever is supported, and load, it is an object that need to be moved or lifted, and effort where you apply the force to lift or move that object. Depending upon the position of fulcrum, lever can be classified into 3: class 1 lever, class 2 lever, and class 3 lever. First diagram shows the first class lever or class 1 lever. In the class 1 lever you can say load, fulcrum, and force. Force is also called as effort, where the fulcrum is in the middle. So in the first class lever, the fulcrum is in the middle, and load and force which are in the either sides. So example, here one example is given for first class lever, that is scissors. There are many more examples for the first class lever. Example like seesaw, plow hammer, pliers. These are other examples of first class lever. And the second diagram, you can see load is in the middle, and the fulcrum and effort is on the other side. So load lies in between, and fulcrum and effort are in the both ends. So this classification is of second class lever. And one of the most important example of second class lever is wheelbarrow, and other examples are nutcracker, bottle opener, hole puncher, etc. These are also examples of second class lever. And the third diagram, you can see the third class lever, and in the third class lever you can see force or effort is in the middle, and load and fulcrum are in the either side, where force is in between the load and fulcrum. So example for the third class lever is shovel or tongs. Tongs means any fire tongs, or these all comes under the third class lever. And also fishing rod, tweezers, shovels, these are also examples for class 3 lever. In this class we learn about simple machine and the first type of simple machine, that is lever, and its classification. So by that I'm concluding my class. Hope you all understood. Thank you.